After over a month-long standoff in Ladakh, the Indian government says that Indian and Chinese troops are starting to disengage at flashpoints in the Galwan Valley and Hot Springs. But the political war over the border situation is escalating. The opposition is sharpening its fire, demanding to know the exact details of the situation along the line of control. The question is, at a time when there is an intense face-off going on between the Indian and the Chinese armies, is it right to politicize the border dispute and create a political tension when there already is a military face-off going on? We'll debate that on the news track tonight. Here is our lead story.
The question was in response to the defense minister's own jibe at Rahul from a virtual rally.
राहुल जी, हाथ में दर्द हो तो दवा कीजिए। यदि हाथ ही जब दर्द हो तो क्या कीजिए?
Rajnath Singh himself was counter-attacking Rahul for his previous tweet on the 8th of June, where Mr. Gandhi said the whole country knew what was happening at the border, while pouncing on this statement from Home Minister Amit Shah.
एक जमाना था कि हमारी सरहदों से कोई भी घुस जाता था, हमारी सीमाओं के साथ छेड़खानी करता था, हमारे जवानों के सर काटकर ले जाते थे और दिल्ली के दरबार में उफ तक नहीं की जाती थी। हमारे समय में भी उरी हुआ, पुलवामा हुआ, मगर ये नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार थी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार थी। कुछ ही दिनों में सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक और एयर स्ट्राइक कर घस में घुसकर दंडित करने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी की नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार ने किया।
While the Congress and BJP snipe over the standoff, Hyderabad MP Asaduddin Owaisi has been launching a flank assault on the Modi government from the side.
Government of India should also tell the country, I am not concerned about what the Chinese media is releasing, the Global Times releasing all those videos. I am more concerned about what my government is doing, what my Prime Minister has to tell the country. Why is so much of silence being maintained by BJP and RSS supporters?
With the big guns of the parties booming, the soldiers have now received orders to provide backup.
जो बयान रक्षा मंत्री जी के आ रहे हैं वो वास्तविकता से दूर हैं। देश जानना चाहता है प्रधानमंत्री जी से और रक्षा मंत्री जी से कि क्या लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल के अंदर हमारे चीनी सैनिक जो मौजूद हैं उन्होंने वो जमीन खाली की या नहीं खाली की।
चाइना जो दुष्प्रचार कर रहा है उस दुष्प्रचार का शिकार न राहुल गांधी जी को होना चाहिए, न उनको दूसरे को इसके दुष्प्रचार का शिकार बनाना चाहिए।
In India's most reliable battlefield, trust India's politicians to keep their weapons sharp and handy. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.